To order a new card on Ing. Start by logging in to your Ing online banking account or mobile app. If you do not have access to online banking, you can register for it on the Ing website. Once logged in, navigate to the card management section, where you will find an option to order a new card. Before ordering a new card, ensure your personal and address details are up to date, as this information will be used on your new card. You can check and update your details in the personal settings section of your online banking account. To order a new card, click on the Order a New Card option and select the type of card you want to order, such as a debit or credit card. You will then be asked to choose the reason for ordering a new card, such as a lost or stolen card, or a replacement for an expired card. Next, review and confirm your details, including your name, address, and card type. Make sure all the information is correct, as this will be printed on your new card. If everything is correct, confirm your order and your new card will be sent to you by post. It is essential to note that ordering a new card may involve a fee, depending on the type of card and the reason for ordering a new one. You can find information on fees and charges on the Ing website or by contacting Ing customer service. After ordering a new card, you will need to activate it before you can use it. You can activate your new card online or by phone, using the instructions provided with your new card. Once activated, you can start using your new card for purchases and payments. It is also a good idea to set up a card PIN and password to keep your account and card details secure. You can do this in the card management section of your online banking account or by contacting Ing customer service. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily order a new card on Ing and enjoy convenient and secure banking services. If you have any questions or need help with the process, you can contact Ing customer service for assistance.